What's up, guys? On this video, I'm gonna be changing out the tail light that I broke on the last trail that I did. So what you're gonna wanna do first is you're gonna wanna pop out these clips. They just pop out literally. Once you get them out, they're gonna look somewhat like this. And I'm gonna start getting that out right now. This bottom one. There we go. Now you got these little guys. And that's pretty much it. So now that that's off, I'm gonna disconnect the bulbs and then I'm gonna put the new one on and then I'll show you guys what the new one looks like. All right, it's all on, it's all installed, brand new taillight. It was only like $40. It's very easy to install. You just pull, you could either pull the whole thing out or you could just pull the clip out. It's got these little balls. These balls just plug into this little rounded parts and then you just put this clips back in. And brand new taillight. Anyway, I hope you guys liked it and I'll see you on the next one.